Okay, Mark and Adam. Here is the first. Oh, if I can correct the zoom. Here is the first of the signals for club. Not all of them are going to be the 2-aspect heads because I've run out of them, and at the minute I'm unable to order any more. So I will be making some with 3-aspect heads, but I'll only be wiring up the red and the green aspect. So 4mm brass on the cast heads. The bases are made of 4 pieces of 20,000th plasticard. So there's 2 outer pieces with 1 hole in each. The 2 middle pieces have 3 holes in it, so they can accept magnets on the base. Sorry about that. So we've got 4mm by 1mm magnets on the base. These will need to be there'll need to be holes drilled very slightly into the baseboard to enable connection. But I've done it that way so that the in case there's any accidents on at the club, they can fall over and be put back. There is 3-wire JST connectors. If I do other signals, I will be using other types of connectors. And I have them wired up to a micro switch. So this is just a 3-pin common, normally open, normally closed micro switch with just the button. So if I reconnect the power quickly, just a second. Sorry about that. So if I just press the button down, press and hold, the clear will come on as long as the button is held down. I've got another 14 of these switches if you do want to use them for the club layout and somehow wire them in. If not, it's no worries because I can use them for other stuff, but it's just a case of momentary push, changes the aspect, return back to danger. I thought this would be the best way of signalling them for the club. So basically you have to clear the signal to be able to drive the train. The connectors on the bottom are very simple. It's just a standard 3-pin connection. I have a resistor fitted to it. I'm not sure which one I've used because I've got about 3,000 bloody resistors, so I can't work out which one it is because all the information's gone missing. But at the minute this is just powered off my multimeter. The signal itself is done at a height of 50mm from the baseboard. So if you come over to a current piece of my layout, sorry I know you're looking at my feet at the minute. Might get a bit dark temporarily. So basically the signal can be, I know that the plasticard's the wrong way around, it should be at 90 degrees to where it is at the minute, but basically where the signal at 50mm is at, the red aspect will be at cab height. So basically this is how it will look on the layout. So even if we just surface mount the plasticard for the concrete apron around the signal, it'll be fine. I will rotate this 90 degrees before on the other signals. It's just the glue set rather quickly on me before I realised it was the wrong way around. But it took me about 3 hours to build it with all these new materials. So hopefully I'll be able to make a few more this week and the next couple of weeks to be able to get them to club. Hope you're well, and I'll catch you both soon. Cheers.